That's Edmund Fitzgerald, so I'll just pick through it for you real quick. So you're going to start on that 4th string on the 3rd fret, slide to the 5th fret, and then you're going to go to the 3rd string 2nd fret, do a pull-up, and go to the 4th string 3rd fret, and then you're going to go on this chord shape here that's on the 4th string and 1st string 2nd fret, and then that's going to be, and you're going to slide that, you're going to the 3rd fret, and actually you're going to go do that chord shape there, that 1st string 3rd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 4th string 3rd fret. So you're going to, and then go back to that 1st and 4th string 2nd fret, and then open. And that's, I'm just doing a hammer on I think 2nd string 2nd fret, and then open. And practice that that double thumb for triplet, or for 3/4 time. So it's just bum, diddy, diddy. So that's the strike, brush, pluck, brush, pluck. So anyway, yeah, I mean, that was pretty much all of Edmund Fitzgerald. And I often go back to this 2nd string 2nd fret after, when I'm just like open. See? And then I just go, and that last note's the 3rd string open, and then do that again. And then that little ditty that I do in the break is like, so I go that same chord shape of the 1st and 4th string 2nd fret, and then I go, and that's that 2nd chord shape of that we use in sawmill tuning all the time, of 4th string 3rd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 1st string 3rd fret, and then I just do like a little ditty on that between those two chord shapes. So, and then I just walk up the strings. I go like 3rd string, 2nd string, and that's the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and then do a little triplet, and then go back to the 3rd string. And that's it. Good luck.